and there is no one that does it better than the Randy Savage.
Hey guys, Randy Savage here. I thought I would document this. I actually just sent out a tweet where I said that I watched a tutorial where it basically showed you how to like make beachy waves just with like a headband and tucking your hair in, which is why I look like this. Probably should have prefaced that in the beginning. That's why I look so weird. I watched a tutorial. My skeptic self was like, that's not gonna work, so I'm trying it. So basically what I did, washed my hair, conditioned it, got it damp, whatever, towel dried it, and then I just took, sections, looped it over, tucked it in. Then whatever was hanging out of the last section, I would connect with the next section, keep tucking, and work all the way around. Then anything in the back, I just flipped it up. Don't have high expectations, to be honest with you. I don't see this turning out really good, but that's kind of why I want to document it. I think this might be funny. So if you're interested in seeing how this turns out, then I guess keep on watching and I will report back. Oh, I just quickly wanted to show you guys the sides. I didn't really show you, so you can see how the hair is wrapped up and around and tucked in. This side too. Yeah, just thought I'd add that. Because this is so meaningful and everybody's gonna totally use this for As I'm sure you can tell, I now have a shirt on. It's also a little darker in here, so I don't have lights. I'm not like a beauty guru. Booty guru. What is booty guru? Yeah, booty guru. My God. I don't really know why I'm checking in. This is the kind of thing that you kind of just do it and then wait. So I think it's more so I'm just bored and have nothing to do. So I'm let me talk to a camera. Because through this camera, I'm talking to all the people that I love. Aww. That sounded really cheesy. The next time you see me will be the reveal. So I'm sorry that you had to deal with all of this. I just want to remind you though, that you did vote for this on Twitter. So you asked for it. I warned you. Poor quality and just bad. So don't say I didn't warn you, but I love you guys if you've watched this far. But yeah, stay tuned. Reveal's coming soon.
2 hours later.
Alright, I'm back, guys. Hello. I'm very, very ready to take this headband off of my head. My forehead is so itchy, but it's a comfortable headband. It's been on my head for hours. I want it off. In the video that I watched, the tutorial that inspired me to try this out, the girl sprayed her hair with hairspray before she took the headband out and shook out the curls just to kind of keep a hold going there. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do what she did and hope for the best. I'm scared. How much? I always put in too much hairspray or not enough. I feel like I'm gonna fuck it up. All right. Is that enough? I don't know. I feel like Cody Rand spraying freaking Febreze right now.
How many times does James Charles have to make fun of disabled people for you to realize he's messy?
We're just gonna assume that's enough because I'm just maybe a little more safe measure. I have a lot of hair, it's thick, All right, well now that the hairspray's in, I guess this is the moment of truth. I'm scared. Here we go. She just took it off like this. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Actually, I'm not mad at all. Whoa, wait. All right, I'm gonna make this look a little neater. Sorry, I was looking that way in the mirror. I'm gonna make this look a little neater and I'll be right back. Okay, so I came in the bathroom really quick. I apologize for the shakiness of the camera and the bathroom echo, but the lighting in here is the best. So obviously you can see my hair actually came out really nice. It looks good. I don't think I could have done a better job with a wand or anything. You can also see on my forehead that there's a mark from the headband, so that's cute. maybe take that into consideration if like, you know, you're planning on going out like right after you do this. It actually worked really well, and I'm shook. I'm shook.
I am shooketh.
Alright guys, so I guess this is the end of my little experiment. Would I recommend this? Yeah, actually I would. I would definitely recommend this. If you're having to wake up early for work or something and like you need your hair done right when you wake up, this is pretty much the way to do it. Another thing, I just wanted to thank you guys so much for sitting through this. This is actually like my first time making a video on camera. I mean, obviously I've made little Twitter things here and there, and you guys know I make my edits on my channel, but this is the first time like this is on your screen. So if I'm like being awkward or a little weird, I'm sorry. I'm getting used to it, but I'm hoping to start making more videos with myself in them in the future. So if you guys think I'm funny or cool, or you just want to like make me feel better, please subscribe. It would mean a lot. I really would. And yeah, I guess that's about it.